We have been doing this for 3 years now, video game hunting. This may be the craziest find I've ever had in my life. What is going on, guys? Today we'll be doing some sourcing at a retail store that we've never sourced at before, Family Dollar. We have recently learned that Family Dollar is clearancing out all of their video games for $2 a piece, no matter what it is. Guys, little trick. We are walking the streets of the Ville. Gotta hold your keys like this, alright? Never know when you gotta act up.
Hello.
Here's DS and 3DS. Chibi Robo? Oh my god.
What's your recording? I'm that one.
Huh?
What's your recording?
Oh, we do video games for our YouTube channel.
Okay.
We play video games, we buy video games, sell them, collect them. We literally just...
being nosy.
Yeah, there's Chibi Robo. I think we should get at least 2 of these.
Yeah, look and see what it's going for. Are these ringing up as $5? I know
I'm not sure.
Family Dollar has a clearance right now. These are $50 a piece sealed.
No, $2. I believe most of those are $2. Don't quote me on it.
How much is that one?
This one's $2.
It is $2?
Yes.
We might as well go ahead and get a few.
Stop! Have you subscribed to us yet? If not, this centipede right here will be crawling in your bed tonight. If you want to avoid that, make sure to like, comment, and yes, subscribe. Back to the video.
How many of these do you want to get?
I mean, for $2 a piece, bro. It's 3DS as well, and Chibi Robo. I mean, for $2 a piece, I'm also grabbing
So those are.
Grab them all. And there's Camp Rock, and then Biggest Loser, which is, don't ever get that.
So those rank up as $2 as well?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Awesome.
$21.04.
Yeah, there's 316 stuff down here, and Xbox One.
There you go. Oh my god.
Is there more?
Nigga, gas was $3.80 something down here. I was to Walmart, it was $3.59. I picked my shit up, $25. I said, I'll go to that.
Oh, it's all their Christmas movies.
Yeah, it looks like all Christmas stuff.
Okay.
Alright. Hot prices. What are you saying games? What the heck? Oh, this is cool.
Oh, here's the games up here.
There's more Chibi.
They're back there, and then they're all just kind of mixed together.
And these are all on clearance, correct?
Probably.
$2 a piece or something?
Something like that, probably so.
Okay. And they got PS2 games.
Just wait, kid. Do this little thing first, and then we'll look over there. Elder Scrolls, no.
Sing.
Yeah, grab that. Oh, what's this?
Get grabbed up.
Wolfenstein, grab that.
It's Goat Edition, Titanfall, we already got those. Grab for sure. There's PS2 Wars.
Now, this is extremely worthless, but
Do you mind if we make a pile somewhere?
Huh?
Can we make a pile somewhere? Can we like put a pile up here on the counter?
Yeah, sure.
just go ahead and grab that since it's sealed.
Y'all big on gaming?
Yeah, so we collect, we resell, all that good jazz.
Family Dollar around here? I know there's one, the map said there's one by JC.
Dollar General over by Oak Street. By,
Yeah, I saw this, yeah, I'm with the red shell.
and there's one down the road this way.
Alright, I checked the end caps and stuff, and there's no games over there. There's movies, but no games. Is there anything behind there? I can't see. No.
I'm gonna look this one up real quick. No, Destiny's not working.
Just got back home, decided to change my clothes because the stuff that I was wearing was not comfortable. Went through everything, counted exactly how many we have of each system and how many we have of each game. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through the numbers with you. We got this Chibi Robo Zip Lash for the 3DS. We have 15 of these. We paid $30 total for all of these, and it's $180 in value. Honestly, this is a pretty great deal. I mean, paying 30 bucks for $180 in value, it's pretty unheard of unless you go to a yard sale. All right, so for these, because there's so many different titles, I didn't even take the time to look up each individual one. I just kind of said, all right, they're all worth about $10 a piece. It averages out. There are 22 games here, and the total value of this lot is $440. And now this is where it gets interesting, guys. They had PlayStation 2 on the shelves. I think that's absolutely insane. Honestly, I'm not sure exactly where they're getting their video games from. I'm assuming it's from Amazon pallets or something. I'm not sure. Maybe they didn't sell on Amazon, or maybe they did and they were just returned. But I mean, this, a factory sealed PS2 Jet Li Rise to Honor, and there are 5 of these bad boys. And I know it says $5 on the price tag, but we actually paid $2 a piece, and that goes for every single video game here. So we paid $10 for all of these, and the total value is $75. And now here is the big money. This is the original Guitar Hero for the PS2. Honestly, these kind of shocked us. So we've had this game before, not factory sealed, and we know that it's not a big hitter, but whenever we looked it up, it was kind of shocking. So there are 3 Guitar Heroes here. We paid $6, and the total value is $180. So that means each one of these is worth about $60 a piece. Whenever we were out shopping, I could have sworn we spent about $300, but after adding everything up and going through all the receipts, we only spent $90. And the total value on all of this stuff here, now it might not look like a lot, but it's $875 in value. So that means we 10x'd our money on all of this. Now, hopefully that you've seen this video, you will be going out to your Family Dollar because it is a nationwide deal going on right now. Every single video game is $2 a piece, guys. Go out and get these deals. And if you want to know about these deals a little bit sooner than our YouTube crowd, make sure you go ahead and follow our Instagram. We post the deals as soon as we see them. So if you are interested in that sort of thing, make sure you go ahead and follow our Instagram at cheapfinds.goldmines. There will also be a link in the description. If this type of content is something that you're into, or if it helped you, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like this video, and maybe comment something down below that you enjoyed about the video, or something that you learned, something along those lines. You can just say hi. That's okay. We have a guy that literally comments hi on every single video. Hi, buddy.
Hi, Zach the Muffin Man.
Hi, Zach. We see you. And as always, guys, we'll be chatting.